Hey guys, welcome back to Fix and Felix. Really quick video. I have a 2001 Ford F-150. Problems I was getting is AC works perfectly, everything is good, but whenever you accelerate, like whenever you hit the gas pedal and the RPMs go maybe like more than 1500 or maybe even around 2000, the air just stops blowing from the front and just starts blowing from the defrost from the top. So I mean, it gets really frustrating because you always drive and then the air just keeps changing, and we live in Texas, so it's really hot here. So what you can do is you can check the vacuum lines, which is all of these lines here. Check if there's any cracks, any leaks. And if there is, then that's your problem. It goes all the way back. You can just follow this cable and see if it's broken or cracked. If just in case it's not cracked or broken, there's another solution what you can do, but it's just going to let you have the air coming from the front. Like if you put it on defrost, it's not gonna work. It's just going to be in the front. Again, this is like not a good job, but if you want to fix this problem and you don't care about the defrost or the lower air coming out, it's fine. Then you can do this trick. Again, I mean, I recommend you fix the problem, but if you don't want to spend money, you can just do what I did here. Let me see. Okay, so basically, this, whenever you put it on defrost, let me see if I can get a better angle. Okay, whenever you put it on defrost, this little thing moves and goes up higher. This little thing goes like, it goes like this. So what I did, I put a zip line and I tied it up over here, right here. So even if it wants to move to defrost, it's not gonna happen because this is holding it in place. So basically this little trick is just to make your air coming out from the front all the time, other than going for defrost or whatever. So again, I'm gonna say this, try to fix the problem. If you can't, if you don't have the money, and like I said, you don't care about the defrost or the lower legs, then you can do this, what I did here. And you'll just have air coming from the front. So guys, if you guys like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.